Before the game, coaches, players, and fans, they all said we have to win this game today. They did not want to dig themselves out of a hole if they lost again. But Anthony Clark and Dustin Rinker, they made sure that losing today was not an option. So let's get right into it. The Saints get on the board first when Mac Roach finds Coulter Ruud for the 6-yard touchdown, 7-0 Saints. But Rocky answers back with 34 seconds left in the first quarter. Bryce Baker hits Cole Catlin for the 13-yard touchdown, and with that 2-point conversion, the Bears take the lead 8-7. But the Fighting Saints will not be denied. Dustin Rinker finds the end zone with an 8-yard touchdown, 12-8 Carroll. And Anthony Clark. This guy was on fire today. His touchdown was just one of many. 20-8 at the half, 33-8 was your final score. Anthony Clark and Dustin Rinker had phenomenal games today, and they had a few words about how hungry they were for the win.
You know, every week we have the mentality, you know, we go into the week with practice and doing our assignments and making sure we do our alignments right and just play our ball and don't do anything more than what you have to do. And if everybody does their job, you know, we'll come out on top.
Well, with our one loss in the season, I mean, we have to come out and play every game like this. It's playoffs starting right now.
Coach is very pleased with the win today, but he says that this week in practice they will be fine-tuning some things because once again they're always looking for that long-term goal, the playoffs. In Billings, Alex Clark, MTN Sports.